Hello mga antikadayers. Welcome back to the vlog. Ayan, good morning. Ang ganda na ng ano oh. Bougainvillea. Yung face one. Yung pan pala mga auntie, nilagyan nila ng mga bato. Kasi ang dami daw lamok. So, yan yung inagenda nila. Sulod naman siya sa kusina. They changed this one, the idea. Kung chana. Chang. Here, oh. Where's a car. Rental. Motorbike for rent. Wala man sila diri. Are we go down?
Yeah.
Meow. Oh, meow. Kahayahay ba ninyo din na, Micha? Bread photo hotel. Why there's bread? Why there's bread? Ang kuan ba? Ang photo is still there, no?
Yeah, I'm surprised the colors are still
Despite of the year.
15 years in the sun about.
Ara mga auntie, oh, villa for rent, Coco Palace.
I put it up about, not sure, maybe 12 years.
Day, ma-surprise gyud ko. Kung pasak yun miniya, day. Surprise gyud ko. So, anyway, punta tayo dun sa may kanto, kumbaga sa main highway. Highway na kata dito, pero di siya highway na highway dyan. Mag-breakfast tayo. And then, mag-rent ng motorbike kasi ang nandun is umuwi siya sa bahay nila. So, wala pa kaming motorbike. So ngayon ang mangyayari, mag-rent tayo doon sa Kanto 2. Diba, Zay? Ayan. Okay ra ka dong? Before matatakot ako maglakad dito dahil kinay mga iro.
Here they can paint the roof because it's not Chinese owned.
Uy, ikaw ba? Here.
Paradise. Yeah, it really looks like paradise.
So, andito na kami ngayon sa breakfast. Because you want to warm? Make it warm?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
You want to make it warm. So, andito pa pala yung restaurant, mga auntie. Akala namin wala na sila. Diyan ako before, day. Andyan pa pala. 7-Eleven man yan before. But before, my love, is 7-Eleven, yeah? This one? Before is 7-Eleven.
Maybe a Minimart.
Minimart. Yeah, Minimart. Yeah. Diyan ako bumibili before ng mga kailangan ko. Mga kaanik-anikan ko. May one time pa doon mga auntie na wala si Dodong ba. may pinuntahan siya. Tapos ako lang doon sa inistehan namin. And then pumunta ako dyan, naglakad lang ako dahil. And then kasi takot ako mag-motorbike. And then hinatid ako ng nagtrabaho dyan. Ang bait nila mga auntie. Hinatid nila ako doon pabalik. Kasi nagtanong ako kung may motor ba dito. Tapos minsan before ako lang dito pumunta kakain. Kasi yun nga si Dudong may inaasikaso mga kabisnisan. Kasi ayaw kong sumama-sama sa kanya. Diba my love? And then itong ibang stop dito, hinahatid nila ako doon papunta sa pabalik sa resort. Tinawanan niya ako dahil tanong niya kung ano daw in order ko. Sabi ko mango sige. At least you know that my favorite. Hala. Daghan kaayo. Gibutangan na nilag tono. Sabi niya, why you are so wild in this one?
So, might be still around. I check.
Yeah, I wait here, ha? So, ayan mga day, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi na-meet namin yung... Oh my God! Na-meet namin yung Thai na friend namin. So, maghanap lang ako ng... Ano nga yung bibilhin ko? A load. Wait. So, maghanap tayo ng ano day. Kinim. Na may ref dito. Nanta sa kong sabon sa kong laundry. Sila mga collagen. Paracetamol na ara. Kini fever and pain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So ayan mga anti-ka-dyers, nagbili ako ng mga kailangan ko doon sa hindi talaga siya natural na kailangan dahil no? Parang feeling mo lang na kailangan mo lang talaga ng kape. So nagbili lang ako ng kape. Tapos dahil alam niyo ba yung nabayad ko is malapit na siyang mag 500 baht, 499 something. Mahal siya dahil. Tapos marami ako napalit. Tabangi. Mura na ako napalit dahil. Na kadaghan ang 500 Thai baht. Murag feel ko talaga nagmahal din sila dito. Nagmahal din yung mga anong mga benta nila dito. So si Dudong andun siya, naghanap siya ng anong tawag nito dahil kini motorbike kay mag-arkila may motorbike kay para mamayang gabi makalabas kami. Kasi medyo malayo, ayaw niyang mag-walking doon, mga foreigner. Tumingin sa akin dahil tingin lang kayo, tingin ng tingin. And then gusto kong bumili ng headset na wireless ba? Wala man sila dahil. Ay, hindi ko din na-check doon sa kuan. Pining sa loob. Naghanap siya ng motorbike na parintahan. And then kanina, doon sa restaurant, hindi na ako vlog kasi ang nangyari mga ante, nakita namin yung kaibigan namin before. And then, alam niyo mga ante, hindi ako nag-expect nga magkikita pa din kami the same place. Parang ganun pa. So, I'm so happy kasi alam niyo yung may mga tao talaga na naakala mo, kinalimutan ka na, wala na silang pakialam sa'yo, yung mga ganyang bagay. Pero, nung nakita nila kami dahil, oh my gosh, why? And then imagine, alam niya yung pangalan ko na siya, bakit niya alam yung pangalan ko? Sabi ko, and then tinanong ko siya na, sabi ko sa kanya na, anang sobrang tagal na, mga 5 years later na, hindi na tayo nagkikita, pero we still remember each other. Pero ako dahil nakalimot ko sila ang pangalan, oy. And then, yung lalaki, sabi niya sa akin na nakikita daw niya yung mga vlog ko dahil pastilan. Kasi daw, every time na pupunta siya sa sa kanyang phone, magnood ng video, mag-pop up daw yung mga vlog ko. Kaya pala nag-wonder ako dahil alam niya yung pangalan ko. Sabi niya na, Ani, kumusta? Pasakuan na, kumusta? Hello, ay, maulaw, mapunta Ani, ay. Kaya I'm very happy. Masaya ako mga auntie kasi alam niyo yung may mga taong hindi ko ini-expect na nakilala nila ako. Alam nila na alam niyo yung basta dahil excited kayo ang chika gani. Ang lalaki taga Germany, ang babae Thai siya. Doon yung kuan kining restaurant, yan yung German restaurant. And then dito before, may ano yan siya before mga auntie, pizzeria yan siya dyan. Pero ngayon nag-change na ng hair care, beauty salon. So kailangan na natin, hello. Kailangan na talaga natin magpa-nail polish. Sabi ko ni Dodong, my love, magpa-nail, my love, kanang nail extension ba? And then sabi niya sa akin, sure ka? Magpa-nail extension ka? And then mag-travel pa ta? Di ka na mabalik mong cooker? O dili eh. Sabi ka, di lagi na mabalik, basta ako pa. Basta dili lang koan. Ambot, magpa-nail extension ko pero dili siguro as in mahaba pero sayang rin mong kwarta. Dahil kung hindi mahaba yung ipa-nail extension mo, kung magpa-nail extension ka, wag mo nang alang-alangin. Abutin mo na hanggang saan maabot. So, magstay tayo sa resort ni Dodong ng medyo matagal-tagal kasi may mga inaano pa sila may mga pag-uusapan sila sa bagong owner ngayon na kailangan niyang i-inform to arang isa ay naka-rent sa kanyang favorite motorbike. Hi there. Red. You're so sexy, sir.
I need my clock.
Oh, I don't have it here.
This one has good view. Not so old. And the tank is full.
You're full, huh?
We leave full tank.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss. whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Deep within your eyes, I found a home. The love that we share can never grow.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Meow. I think they like the resort. The cat. Meow. Hello. Shh. Ay. It's so many.
That one go also. Morning.
So morning. So gagawa tayo ng tour. Iron. Wow. Sinong nakakita nito sa photo, comment down below. Hello. Are they fixing something in the... Hello? Shh, no, it's okay. Ah, so you put the TV here before?
Yeah, on top of this wooden thing there.
Ah, okay.
They took down the all the beautiful carpets.
And there's a toilet too. Actually, mga ante, nung pumunta, first time ko talagang pumunta dito sa Thailand. I mean, sa resort ni Dodong. Hindi pa na-sink in. Hindi pa na-sink in sa aking mindset. Hello! Meow! Jaman! Nanawaran ko ni siya. He's very social. Ay, Nay! Nay! Ayaw! Stress ka? So, kailangan nilang ayusin ang kining sa floor ba? Kay kagabi nag-shower kami, nag-stop ang tubig. Ayaw. Wala man ko'y ikadalit ni mo, no? Daming pusa dito. Meron siyang 7? Yeah. Dito ka dito, oh. You know, I have Misa also. Meow. 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 Andun yung swimming pool sa baba. Pero hindi na tayo makapasok doon sa oh. Before makapasok pa tayo doon sa jacuzzi area. Pero ngayon hindi na. Are you okay, sir? Gagawa tayo ng room tour. Yung trip din na. Ah! Ansa man ni mong trip din na? Ay! Ay, nako. It's nice breeze air here. What happened to you, man? Huh? Come. Come on. Psst. Pero mas maganda siguro dun sa baba dayo. Wala may kuan oh. Walay bulag ang kuan kini oh. Kalachuchi. Dito medyo malalim to dito mga ante. Dito na place, doon sa kabila hindi siya as in malalim. Doon din pang children, ano yun siya na area. Ang laki naman din oh. Swimming pool na ito day. It's very big. Pero day grabe ang work ni Dodong ani before, Ginoo ko tabangi. Buti na lang hindi ko pa na ano yun. Hindi ko yun naranasan, tsari. Ay nako. Nung nag-meet kasi kami, tapos na ito dito day. Medyo ano na siya bakining rented na gid siya. My love, when did you finish this Coco Palace? When did you finish construct?
An airline captain, a pilot from the airline.
That's your first.
747, the big jumbo airline.
Yeah, so
He stayed in the lower unit over there.
this one down below. So that's your first customer.
Yeah.
That's
He was
cool.
Danish.
Ah, yeah. Okay. So, that's why. So natapos ito. Ay, hindi siya as in tapos kasi ongoing pa din yung maintenance natural. Normal. Mag-inang maintenance, no? Kaya mag-maintain, magkita sa ato ang property. So, nag-start yun na siya o customer is 2,000? 2,000?
Yeah.
2,000 day. Murag, kuan pa na, panahon pa na sa kuan. Patay ko na dahil wala pa tayong internet in that time. So I'm still busy in that time. I think I'm still studying. Napako sa kuan na dahil elementary or high school. Oh, elementary pag yung kaindaan eh. And then, yeah, yun na nga. 2,000 and then still maintaining pa din pero wala na dahil. Mahirap talaga pag ano no, pag kanang sobrang ano mo sa bagay, kanang creativity ka. Then ikaw jud ang mangunay og hinlo, mangunay og panday, mangunay og kanang arrange mga ganyang bagay. So in that 2000 start there, then you keep coming back here from 2000.
Yeah, of course. And it's in the summer, so when I went home, low season, I closed the resort.
What? You closed down?
Yeah, when I went to Denmark 5 months a year, I closed it.
Why?
Because nobody to run it. You can't rely on these people. Forget it. You know.
No, I think you just have a trust issue.
You can see how it's going now. Right? Just look on.
How before the Eda si Dodong, pag-uwi siya ng Denmark, i-close down niya ni Deria. So it's just like when you come back to Denmark, when you go away to Denmark, you close down the house and then that's a lot of work.
Yeah, it takes some preparations.
Kaya
But at that time, the low season, there was very few people in the south end of Phuket. Now there's people year round. But
Yeah.
low season, it was not worth to keep it open even if I stayed here. I don't think so.
Yeah.
But I always went home in the summer into Denmark.
Yeah.
So
And how much is that the room before?
I think my starting prices was 1,400 baht in the low season and 2,400 baht minimum in the high season, and in the peak season 4,000 baht. something like that. I can't remember.
So change the ang price, no? So
And
medyo
then the
mahal.
King Suite was 50% more.
Malaki kasi hindi. Ang mga room,
When I
medyo
when
mahal
I,
siya dahil 1,000 plus and
when
then
I worked it up,
4,000.
I had 4.6 or 7, can't remember, stars on Booking.com when I go there.
Mm.
And I had a lot of good recommendations, so I got up to 14,000 baht for the King Suite in the peak season per night. So that was good, but that was just a few years like that because I couldn't find proper staff, and I was exhausted. I did everything myself, maintenance, serving the customers.
Yeah. So, hello mga auntie kajayers. Ayan, gagawa tayo ng room tour mga day kasi kahapon hindi ko kayo na tour. Dito pagdating namin kay wala na jet lag, nag-shower na may diretso mga auntie. Tapos na silang sa CR na kining fix. So, ito yung main door dito. Felix, Ming! Shh! Come on! You wanna come out? Bala ka din na. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung may mini kitchen tayo. Mini bar. Ayan, ito yung mga nabili ko kanina. Coffee. Paracetamol. At saka itong, meron silang extreme white soup. I-try natin yung extreme white soup nila. And then toothpaste and may mga baso and everything. And ano pa ba dito? So, yes. And then may ito. Pwede tayong mag-init dito kung gusto mo. Mga pagkain. Tapos, mini drink bar. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung CR. Ito yung inayos nila kanina. Actually, naiba ang CR kasi meron itong bathtub before. Pero kinuha nila yung bathtub na wooden bathtub. Sabi ni Dodong, bakit daw nila kinuha yun? Sayang pang design. Dito yung nakalagay before. So, yarn. And then, ito yung bed. And then, meow! May pusa dito, day. Nagsunod-sunod. Ito yung bed. Ayan. And then, may malaking sopa dito. And, ayan. Yan yung makikita nyo, Zay. May neighbor doon. And, isang cabinet. And then, terrace diretso.
You forget to turn the lights on.
Where? It's on already.
When you do room tour, you turn on all the lights.
This one, it won't turn on. That one. Turn on that on daw. No, okay. Oh, yeah. Naray mga light, day. Mura man mahulog na may lab. Uy, I think it's gonna fill down. Ay, naraman, day. Bantog rangit-ngit kay kagani, ha? So, and ito yung terrace natin. Paglabas natin, ito yung makikita mo. May dalawang chair. And then, ayan. Dito na din sa baba. Mas maganda dito tignan. Sa baba, mag-standby. Dito sa terrace. So, yan yung view natin sa baba. And then, ganun.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me.
And that's the boss. Hi, the boss. You're the boss.
To be boss.
And now you don't wanna be a boss?
No, I will let that up to you.
I'm the boss now. I'm the CEO of the Paradise Life. I'm the CEO of Romantic Life. Yeah, which one is the best? This one? Which one is the best? Romantic Life or Paradise Life?
Depends which shoes you're in.
That's what yan eh. Romantic Life or Paradise Life? I think
There's
that's
many definitions of paradise. I just saw a sign on some junk construction on there where it said Paradise Hotel, and it looked like shit. I mean, sorry.
so many. I think romantic. I think romantic, no? I'm the CEO of Romantic Life. So many ako ang monkey business. You're so monkey business. Meow! Ay, ano muna tayo, Day? Naka 27 na, Day, ni.
You're where I